Okay, so this is a tutorial on how to properly name pictures for SEO purposes, and whether we're uploading them to Google or to your website or to your Facebook or really anywhere, having a picture that's properly named so that the search engines and crawlers can understand it is a critical part of SEO. And it's not rocket science in terms of how to name the picture. You're going to name it your company name plus whatever's in the picture. Kind of as simple as that. But you want to make sure that you follow a couple of rules. So for example, this is a dump truck from a customer of ours called Scarborough Land Development. And you can see that like most of the time when we take pictures, it's usually some random series of numbers, or if we download them from the internet or download them from our phone. So if we want to rename the picture, what we're going to do, and again, if somebody has a Mac, they probably already know how to do this kind of stuff. So I'm assuming you're working from a PC. You're going to hover over the picture and you're going to right click using your mouse. From that right click, you're going to see this little A right here, and when you hover over it, you'll see rename pops up. You're going to left click on that A, and okay, you're going to double, okay, now I'm getting embarrassed here. There we go. So again, you're going to right click over the picture and then left click over the A, and then you're going to see it's going to open up so you can rename it. So now the name of the company is Scarborough, but this is the thing. You do not, capital letters don't matter. Caps, in fact, if anything, best practices is all lower cap, even on formal names, because search engines and algorithms do not recognize capitalization as being an issue. So we're going to name it Scarborough Land Development because that's the name of our company. And you're going to notice that I put a dash after every single word. Now let's say you wanted to say and the company's name had an and sign in it. You cannot use symbols, so you would spell it out even if there was an and sign. And for example, if you were going to put .com, you wouldn't put a dot. You would actually spell .-com, and that's how we name things. So we're going to name it Scarborough Land Development, and because it's a big red truck, we're going to name it Big Red Hauling Truck. So this is going to tell the algorithms what it's a name of. It's going to tell Google on the Google profile what it's a name of. So for example, if we take a look at this picture here, this is a picture of crews laying asphalt. So same thing, we're going to hover over it, we're going to right click, we're going to left click, we're then going to name it the company name, Scarborough-Land-Development-Crews Laying Asphalt. Simple as that. And now we have properly renamed the pictures for SEO purposes.